Now, finally, what is meant by physical change? What is meant by physical change? Physical change is nothing but in any substance, if there is a change in size, if there is a change in shape, if there is a change in color, if there is a change in states of matter. So in all those cases, that is what we call it as physical change. So one of the important example in many competitive exams, they are asking what is that? It is nothing but crystallization of crystallization of copper sulfate. Crystallization of copper sulfate. So what is mean by copper sulfate? Copper sulfate formula is CuSO4, which is a physical change. They will definitely ask you. Most of the numbers, they are thinking crystallization is a chemical change, which is not a chemical change, it is a physical change. What is meant by crystallization? Just take a beaker of water and add this copper sulfate solid, like a normal salt only, in our normal kitchen salt. So then what happened? It is completely dissolved. Like normal salt only, copper sulfate is also dissolved in water. Now we are heating this. Whenever if we are heating, then what happened after heating? The pure solid, continuously if you are heating and the water is evaporated from this beaker, pure solid crystals are formed. Pure solid crystals are formed. Then what happened? These pure solid crystals, the process of conversion of this copper sulfate into pure crystals is called as crystallization. Before heating, it may sometimes contains impurities also, but those impurities are removed through this heating process and then we are getting pure. So crystallization is nothing but pure solid substance. Pure solid substance is formed from its solution. Very important. Crystallization of copper sulfate, crystallization of sodium chloride, crystallization of any other substance is a physical change, which is not a chemical change. Very important question. So this is about the physical change. Along with this, so in physical change we observe, usually we observe the following points, which is not a permanent process, which is not permanent process. Say for example, if we take a rubber band, after stretching there is a change in shape. If we release, then what happen? Again it will get into original shape. So it is not a permanent process. So second point is nothing but it is reversible. Reversible means it can come to again the initial state. It can come to initial state. Say for example, water is converted into ice. In this, what happened? That water is converted into ice. This ice again converted into water, which can be reversible. And third one is no new substance is formed. No new substance is formed. These statements are very important. Which of the following is a physical change? So it is a not permanent, reversible, no new substance is formed. And one more statement is all of the above. So all of the above is the answer. New substance is formed. So how we will see? Water upon heating, it will produce the steam. In steam also it is H2O. Water is also it is H2O. Both are H2O only. So no new substance is formed. So this is what we call it as completely physical change concept. In this, definitely nowadays statements are asking. You need to understand the concept. Then we can easily answer these statements. Thank you.